afternoon.
Hello.
Seat taken?
Be my guest.
So how you doing?
Me?
Yeah, you.
Oh, I'm good. You know, I'm just waiting for a bus.
Yeah. It's a good place for that.
Yeah, I would say so.
Where are you coming from?
Topeka?
Topeka, Kansas, right?
Yes. Topeka, Kansas. Yep, that's where I just graduated last year, and yeah, I thought I'd you know, give it a shot. Come out to West Hollywood and, you know, follow my dream.
Oh yeah, what do you do?
I'm an actress.
Yeah, an actress.
Yeah, you know, I haven't, you know, I'm working my way up. I probably haven't done anything that you've seen.
What have you done?
Grease. I got a standing ovation for my role as Rizzo in Grease when I was still acting.
My name's Canary, Red Canary.
Oh, nice to meet you, Mr. Canary. My name's Megan.
Megan, lovely to meet you.
And what do you do, Mr. Canary?
Well, Ambassador to the Stars is my title.
Ambassador to the Stars?
Yeah.
Wow, you must know a lot of people.
I know my fair share, sure.
Like who?
I don't know, have you ever heard of Jake Busey?
Have I?
Scott Conn?
Of course I have.
Casey Affleck?
Doesn't ring a bell. I don't know. I'm only 19.
Put that in your gullet.
It's really strong. Don't people usually mix this with something?
Oh yeah, sure. Would you like a little squirt?
I'd like a little squirt. What is it?
Squirt.
Yeah, I know Red Canary. I met him about 6 months ago. He gave me a beer, now he called me Chicken Leg. And if I don't pay him his money, he hit me with a broom.
Bitch!
Man, motherfucker, you silly shit. He gave me AIDS, and I gave him the bug.